Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious and easy crock-pot pinto beans. Let's get cooking. So to start out, you wanna make sure that your beans are in good condition. So take the pinto beans and kind of just sift through them, looking for any ones that are, marred or hard or just, something you don't wanna eat. So remove all of the bad pinto beans. Then take the remaining ones and thoroughly rinse them. Once they're rinsed, we're gonna start just adding all of our ingredients to the crock pot. Add in the beans, add in the mirepoix, add in your sea salt, add in the minced garlic, some bay leaves, add in some ground cumin, some oregano, and some cayenne pepper. Now you're gonna add 7 cups of water and 4 cups of vegetable broth, or whatever broth you prefer. I'm vegetarian, so veggie broth for me. Go ahead and turn on the crock pot to medium high, and you're gonna let this cook for about 8 hours. Once it's done cooking, the beans should be really, really nice and tender. There's gonna be a lot of liquid left over from this recipe to thoroughly cook them. So instead of having to pre-cook the beans, you're just doing it all in the crock pot. But that's okay. You can actually just serve the beans sort of soupy with the liquid. I mean, the broth is gonna taste really good. Or you can strain out the beans and freeze that broth and use it for a soup next time. Go ahead and store the beans in an airtight container if you're not gonna eat them immediately. They'll last in the fridge for about up to 5 days, but if you wanna freeze them, you can actually keep the beans around for about 6 months. These beans are great as a Mexican side dish for, if you're serving enchiladas or whatever, but they're just wonderful on tacos, nachos, in burritos. One of my favorite ways to make them is I actually will kind of serve them with just a little bit of the liquid, and I'll take some fried eggs and put fried eggs on top of them. It's just a really wonderful dish. And that's how you make these easy crock pot pinto beans. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you wanna see, hey, just drop a comment down below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single month.